next lesson, we will have a group activity. And I want you to group this class into 2 groups. Okay, who wants to volunteer for the group 1? Okay, Jeremiah, go in front. For another one for group 1. Okay, Ken, go in. Okay, for the group 1, we have Jeremiah and Ken. Okay, Jeremiah, will you please read the instruction?
Control the acceleration of a toy car to pass through the inclined road.
Throw up the ball into air. Drop a piece of paper and a book at the same time.
Jump high. Pour water on a glass.
Okay, for our group 2, okay, Joanne, please go in front together with Roseanne Borges. Okay, Roseanne, will you please read the instruction and act it out?
Roll the ball into the table. Writing on a paper. Writing a mastic. Push a chair.